Scented geraniums originate from South Africa near the area of Cape of Good Hope. In the mid-1600s, this plant was transported to Holland and England. These scented plants were so popular that hundreds of different types were bred, including the Citronella mosquito plant. This plant is commonly found under a number of names, such as citronella plant, mosquito plant geranium, and scented geranium. Though many of its names leave the impression that it contains citronella, which is a common ingredient in insect repellent, the plant is actually a variety of scented geranium that simply produces a citronella-like scent when the leaves are crushed. The mosquito plant geranium came about from taking two specific genes of other plants, Chinese citronella grass and African geranium. So the big question still remains, do citronella plants really repel mosquitoes? Because the plant releases its smell when touched, it is thought to work best as repellent when the leaves are crushed and rubbed on the skin, as mosquitoes are supposed to be offended by its citronella scent. However, research has shown that the mosquito repellent plant is actually ineffective. Mosquitoes have actually been seen to land and rest on the citronella plant on a regular basis. Citronella is an upright evergreen, tender perennial with deeply cut, crinkled, and serrated soft green leaves. Strongly scented, the pretty leaves exude a delicious, sharp citrus scent when bruised. In summer, clusters of small lavender pink flowers adorn with deep crimson brush marks on their top petals and are nicely set off by their foliage. Citronella performs best in full sun and moderately fertile, neutral, or alkaline, well-drained soils. Water regularly during growing season, drought-tolerant once established, and grows well near mint, thyme, and nasturtiums. Many South African varieties have a history of traditional medicine used by local tribes. General tradition has included treatment for digestive and respiratory ailments, wounds, burns, ulcers, cold sores, and sore throats. The active chemicals are slightly astringent, so they are good for skin care, oily skin, and cleansing the pores. Overall, the species are seen as having value for creating a relaxing, uplifting feeling while calming nerves and anxiety and aiding depression.